Hello, Bell's Palsy here, Happy Monday. Today we're talking telehealth. So telehealth, what is it? This is a medical treatment via video consultation, either via Zoom or via some other type of platform and portals. I do believe this has a very good place in the treatment of Bell's palsy. Many of you might not be able to go to a doctor, you might be far, or you might just not want to, especially during the pandemic. And this is why telehealth has been really exploding during the pandemic, actually. But anyway, with a trained professional that treats Bell's palsy and do telehealth, you will be able to be assessed. That professional will be able to look at your face, look at the symmetry, look at the movement available in your face, give you an actual grading from a standardized assessment, grading of the strength of the muscle from what they observe. They will also be able to guide you through a home program and get you started with motor control exercises, and just like if they were with you in the room. So please do consider this as an option. The tricky part might be to find a Bell's palsy practitioner that is also offering telehealth. But besides this, I think it's a great option. So give it a try and then let me know how that worked for you. All right, have a good rest of the day.